What's up, YouTubians? Gary of VWJawbreaker. Welcome back to another video, another day. Hope you're doing well. It's now January. Yeah, we got through the holidays. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season, had a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. Hope that you were safe, and I hope you're ready to kick off VW Run 23. What is VW Run 23? Well, originally it started as a VW Run 21, right? Where in 2021, it's kind of the later part of it, some of us got together and said, hey, listen, we want to help hold each other accountable for our projects and help support one another. So basically, you kind of just set a goal, and in that time frame, you try to accomplish your goal, right? So on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, you hashtag that VW Run 23 for this year, and we help support you. Right? Help encourage you, help motivate you, to help you get your projects done. So, what are we doing for this year? Do I need to say any more? We need to get this puppy in primer. We need a few other pieces to make some metal patches and whatnot. I got a few patches back here. Nice little recap for you. We did a bunch of work on this thing already, but we still have little bit of patches to do back here in the package tray. We need to fix the hood, fit the doors, do something with the doors, which are really kind of pissing me off, but we won't go there. We got the hood all straightened out on the chassis with a nice custom hood latch. I want to make some kind of filler piece in here to kind of close that up and make like a little panel inside for storage. So we have a few little things still yet to do on this, but unfortunately, as you see, yeah, this thing's been collecting junk for quite a long time now. Why is that? Well, earlier last year, I wrecked my shoulder at work, and that one thing led to another, led to surgery. So that's why there was a bunch of Baja content with Levi, because he could do the work, and I just kind of was there to help guide him and turn a wrench or two, right? Some of the best times I've had this year were with Levi on that Baja. Everything happens for a reason, right? So, in order to push forward, what do we need to do? Well, kind of looks like we need to organize. I hate a mess. And as you can see, we have a bad mess. So, I guess first things first, we need to get Jawbreaker fired up, do a nice little cold start on her. Go ahead and get all of this crap cleaned up. Oh, been dreading this. I've actually been out in the garage for a half hour staring at this going, ugh. Still having motivational issues, not sure why, not sure what's going on with that. You know, I guess it's life after COVID? I don't know. I don't know, but I can tell you a lot of people have been saying the same thing, right? Seems like ever since you got better from it, the motivational is just extremely low. That I've been laying around recovering a lot and physical therapy and whatnot, so been kind of itching to get out in the garage, but at the same time, it's just been nice laying around. Getting lazy in my old age. All right, enough jibber jabber. Let's get Jawbreaker out, and then we'll get started on this mess. Woo! No chokes on those Webers. She idles low when she's cold, but runs pretty good. She's happy-ish. Yeah, baby. I miss driving you, honey. All right, so Jawbreaker's out. Now it's time to do this. So on the count of 3, we're gonna make it happen. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was crappy. 1, 2. Huh. Guess my finger snaps don't work like other YouTubers. All right, time lapse it is. All right, still got more to pick up, but wow. Okay, well, we need to go ahead and finish up some of this, sweep it all up, and then I think from there we can start. Wow, just realized how piled everything was on top of the welding cart. That's no bueno, man. Needs to be betterly organized. Betterly organized. Yeah, English is my first language. I swear. Let's get busy. Let's do that. Now we're making some progress, except for got a little bit left. Steering column, front bumper, bash bar, one of the doors. Man, I tell you what, it feels nice to actually get out here and do some work. Not gonna lie though, that was about a good hour and a half just to tackle that. Had to work slow because the shoulder, you know, still doing the physical therapy thing. Yeah, so we're not to 100% yet, but figured it's been too long. Need to get out here and get organized. The sooner we get organized in this small garage, the sooner we can go ahead. I know I still have that to deal with. Oh my gosh. Another time, another time. But the sooner we get organized and get things piled from the body sitting there, the sooner we can get some work done. So with that said, I think we're gonna pause here and pick up later. Right? What do you think? What do you think? I need you to do me a favor. I want you to go down in the comments below. Let me know what you want to see this year, other than getting this SOB finished up, right? I mean, that's #1 priority. Get this thing going, for the love of God. I have reached out to a couple people, hoping to get some assistance, some help with a few things on the body. Mostly the doors. I got a friend of mine that's going to tackle the hood. Again, I want to start making some progress, but the shoulder's kind of limiting me. So I'm willing to swallow my pride and get some help, especially on these doors. For some reason, I've got a mental blank thing and I just can't get my head wrapped around it. Yeah, that's kind of where we're at. Hey, I never once said I was a know-it-all. I'm not a master of all trades. I'm just a guy doing my thing out here in the garage, taking you guys along for the ride. So again, throw some comments down. Let me know what kind of stuff you want to see this year. Again, #1 priority. But I'm willing to listen to other things and see what you guys want to hear and see what you guys want to see, right? It's been a while since showing some of that. Got some other great channels right there that you guys need to go look at. Matter of fact, there's great channels down below in the description of every video. Please go give those guys a check out. Give them a follow. Give them some love. Matter of fact, one person I haven't mentioned in a while, we haven't seen from in a while. Big W Adventures. Buddy, I hope you're doing well, man. Merry Christmas to you, Happy New Year to you. Matter of fact, the hoodie I was wearing before I stripped it off, HH Wheels, go give them a shout out. Give them a love. The last video they just did was amazing. James built a car for his dad. Total surprise. Man, I actually had tears coming down my cheeks from this. Absolutely awesome. Oh, another channel, which is upcoming. He's starting to do some work now, but where is he? Boom! Idiot Racing. So as soon as he throws some stuff out, I'll make sure that I pass it along for you. Doing some really cool Class 11 stuff, mostly on Instagrams. Give him a check out. And of course, you can't forget our buddy right there. Good old Backyard Combi. Haptic Garage. Give him a shout out. Tell him to get some content cranking out for once. What the heck, dude? All right. I think we jabbered enough. I appreciate you guys. Hey, this is step one, right? Step one to making some progress this year. So, I appreciate you. Be good.